That's crazy, huh? Heavy winds. That was one of the worst ones we've seen in a while.
Yeah, so the wind speeds in the teens and 20s, and then you get these gusts into the 30s and the peak gust on the right. This will be the most powerful one of the season. And this area has been under blizzard warnings. This will make the 4th time this winter, I do believe. So this will be the most intense. Luckily, it's going to pass far enough offshore that as bad as it's going to be up here, it's one of those situations where it'll definitely end up being that it could have been a lot worse. Very heavy snow coming in, very strong winds, probably going to be some power outages for a few days around here, and then perhaps we can get spring to come in earnest.
Well, this is our first real strong nor'easter of the winter, hopefully the last. The worst part of this storm, I think, is going to be the winds, estimated over 70 knots of gusts. So thankfully all the boats, the Coast Guard's done a good job warning mariners, and all the boats are in and safe. So we're just going to ride it out and see what happens later this evening.